Right.
Ubekuqala ekuqaleni ukuthi umlando
To understand what happened in 1994, you need to go back.
mhm
Right. Sengingibuyela back entweni zocetshwayo.
okay
But ngizoqala ngo-1910 bese siza right. So when i-South African National Congress ihlala kwakuyinhlangano zamazemtiti lezo
abantu abathenga ubulungu
abantu abathenga ubulungu. So by mere virtue of them coming together bengekho abantu abampofu abangafundile namakhosi abo kwakuqala kokubheda kwe-ANC. Inkosi uMvumbi Luthuli wayebizwa ngale makhosi kuthiwa isichushe, wayebekwe abelungu ukuthi abe yinkosi. Ingakho namhlanje kunzima ukulungisa indaba yobukhosi kaZulu ngoba baningi abantu asebaba amakhosi ukuthi babebekwe abelungu kususwa laba ababephikisana nokufika nabelungu. Ophiksi likaSeme bafunda phesheya. uReverend Dube wafunda phesheya. Wabuye sebuya phesheya wazoqala noAfrika nelanga. In fact, une-article yabhalwa uJohn Dube eyayigxeka uBhambatha kaMancinza mayelana nempi kaKhandambona. Now uBhambatha wayekhulumela amabhinci, ekhulumela abantu kazana abangakaze balibhade esikoleni, abangaqondile ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni sakhile. uDube wayekhulumela abelungu nesystem yabo ukuthi kulungile ukuthi indlu nendlu ayikhokhe uKhandampondo. Yahamba iANC, ngicabanga ukuthi kuthe makuphatha uJosias Gumede kwayela iqala khona isikhuluma indaba zeyinkinga zabasebenzi. Kanti kunto kanti kakhulunywa le. Khumbula ukuthi babetheni bona, babethe bazoshaya i-peaceful resistance. Shukuthi abantu abafe abacindezeleke bona bazoresista ngokuthula. Kwafika Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe bayibona ukuthi no, enqolo esigibela yikho right baphuma bovula i-PAC.
yes
Naye efika athi khona izwe lethu ma-Afrika ngobani uyabona bayikhuluma indaba yomhlaba laba abafuna ngizoyihlalela etafuleni nabelungu.
silingane nabelungu.
They, not Tina.
Oh yeah,
they, I went, bona. They were fighting ukuthi if you say ukuthi manje kube ne-Union of South Africa nangasifaka thina to discuss that, sesiya resist ngoba sesikhokhile phela abantu nathi sesilinganani nabelungu. Now kwafika Mandela nabo bafike bathi bayaresista, kwanhlangazumuka nomoya, waqanda umkhonto uqandwa from SACP wazopresenta kwi-ANC njengoba sebegijime enkantolo nebegijimela into engekho. It was never the idea. Actually uLuthuli wayiphikisa indaba yoku-establishwa kolokuzana komkhonto. Kufika uChris Hani umkhonto established Kwakungezona ingane zomntakabani ezazamagumugedle ligumugedle lake foot soldier kwakuyingane zani zehlupheki zemfabanga lezi ezayilala emahlathini ingadlile onozibani bani begidibela lemahotela bakunama conference. I think it was in the Morogoro conference la ucomrade was it was Bramfish or somebody la khona ayigxeka khona ke wathi ba comrade lento ukuthi I leadership iphila impilo e different than abantu amasosha ayikho right yangizithini. So this class division has always been there within the ANC. Yabona by the time ukufika la sena khona I-freedom charter sepimvini ngoku akona ipimvini kodwa khona lapha by the time usele freedom charter sekuthiwa South Africa belongs to all. Hayi kwakuyonto ayilona olokhuzana leyo osikhukhuni le inkosi yabaphi babangalweni lokho osikhukhuni ocetshwa babangalweni lokho ohaleshwe bangalweni lokho obhamatha abancinza bangalweni lokho babethi lo mhlaba ngisho abathwa labo ngawuchucha babalo babengalweni balothi lo mhlaba wethu ubuyisela ukuthini umhlaba uma sethu South Africa belongs to all ifreedom charter iyasidayisa yasiqeda ke lapho ke iholo bani na ukhongolo sephambili kwaba khona ingxoxo ezibakhona phakathi kwabaholi beANC nosomabhizinisi abathile bamabhunu without ama members abanikeza imandate uhamba nokhuluma nabo wastakwa amadili kwakhulunywa in fact inkululeko yethu thina ayilethwa ngoANC yalethwa abamhlophe because they had certain conditions that were not going their way and they needed us to comply internationally ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bathola amathuba abawafunayo. Other than that they were fine with the ANC yenze into eyenza. Uzukubona ngisho ukuthi kuyiqiniso kangakanani sithe masithola inkululeko inverted commas
bathi sithola inkululeko
amasosha apla amasosha azanla maningi abhadle emajele egwetshwe intambo okuthi intambo ayisekho ke kwaphindwa kwawulife
ndikajele ya
aze ashonela khona uANC engazange zaphakamise ngisho umuntu wathi laba babelwa into efanayo nathi. Uma amasosha eApla nawe azanla ayelwela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama yini bokhongolo sekuphela othi wona walo futhi yini ukhongolo usungasibasiza uma besebenkingeni ukuthi isystem ibagwebile kade belwela ini ukuthi abuye izwe.
Yes.
In 2015 kune article anti kubeleni Guardian echaza ukuthi about 100 or more soldiers eApla neAzanla are still in jail and iningi labo lishonela khona ejele. Nobody is raising any hand ukuthi basizakala. Uyabona amaphola wa kwakhona ireferendum labelungu bavota ngani kwasekuphethe udeclare laba bavota khona ukuthi bangasinika yini inkululeko. Ngizwe kahle ayikhulunywa lento ngo January 8 statement kweANC ukuthi abelungu bavota ukuthi bangasinika na inkululeko under what conditions. One of the conditions esixakayo namhlanje yile ukuthi ngeke sifike sithathe izwe bese siyabajikela.
Shuthi mabesinika izwe izinto ayiqhubeke
ngendlela. Kwakhona uKhodesa 1 Kodesa wani kwabangwa ngicanga ukuthi inkatha yaphuma lapho lezinye inhlangano ungavunyelwana ngoba kwakuneplan ye-National Party. uHelen Zille uyichaza kahle lento ukuthi baphumelela ukuthi basuse amandla kwiParliament njengeshamthetho base bewabeka ku-Constitutional Court. What was the Constitution is the most supreme
court
law in
yes,
the
yes,
land. Ngamanye amagama iParliament noma ngangena i2/3 yomkhonto lithi we want to change the Constitution. I-Concord inelungelo lokuthi isiphikise leso sinqumo. Because Parliament does not create law. I-law needs to be validated externally. That was not an NC idea. It was the idea National Party nama liberals amhlophe ukuthi power must not reside in Parliament, power must reside in the Constitutional Court. So now, there was a case yabahlali basemjondolo yahamba le case ezafika eConcord. Inkantolo yanquma ukuthi no, abantu basebahlali basemjondolo afanele bakhishwe ngenkani la behleli khona. This was a very important ruling ukuthi sasingahamba sohlala nasekwezivini singene ngodlini esithi hayi iConcord ithe uma sifike sasikwatha la ngene isikhiphe. It was supposed to be a leading ruling to ukuthi umthetho ushintshe ukuthi izwe lona libuye ingane kuthini. Now uthe yini eyenza ukuthi uma sephethe thina abantu abamnyama bacindezela abanye abantu abamnyama.
Yes, kushintshe.
Akaze kushintshe. U-OR Tambo lo ama-comrade athi amaqabane kaTambo,
ubaba Oliver Tambo.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wafika enkambini thizeni, I think it was in Zambia if I remember very well. Wafika kunamasosha ekade eshayiwe ephanyekiwe elangeni. Wathi lo washakatha ngababoni wangena futhi ngaphakathi kwenza into ayenza waphuma shatha ngababoni. Angaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani, why abantu behlukunyezwa kanje enkambini. Babengekho kwi level yakhe. They were not in the same class as him. Ngasasemasosheni kunosisi wayengixoxele ukuthi yabona at the time uJacob Zuma was not even i-deputy. Engixoxela nje yazi Msholozi ingakho ngukhonzile nje ngikhumbuza uComrade Jacob Zuma. Hawu yina the mfowethu uComrade uZuma mfowethu wesizama mfowethu. Uthi mfowethu akaphuma enkambeni mfowethu silambile ngekho lutho. Abuye sekuphethe ama-Russian yabona kwenza ukudla nathi moral inyungu yabona. Kwezinye ikhathi aphuma abuye ephethe izingwa ukuthi nje sibone nje yabona leader le. Yazi ngithini? In the trenches engahleli go London no America
Ekhona
lapha. Now i-mistake esiyenzile at the time, remember ukuthi we only had one side of the story. Sasizwe side le-ANC. We never had the side of amaqabane ayiku-ANC ukuthi what was really happening within the ANC. Now that we have that information, sesiyabona ukuthi no kade baqala ukucindezela abanye. Do you know ukuthi uChris Hani was actually arrested after Iwanki rebellion when they entered the Rhodesia? Beyolwa no Ian Smith neZANU-PF. It was a failed mission. Wabuya uChris wanika report ukuthi the reason why ifailile le mission ingoba i-leadership was not prepared and they did not make sure ukuthi amasosha anama resources anelane kanje. He was arrested by his own comrades. ungacabanga ukuthi wani ubulawa nje isuka kude impikani no ANC because uHani was for the people, was for the masses. He was not for the elite. Hani was a communist. He was a commander of Umkhonto weSizwe. I-communist likhuluma ukuthi abantu. Bese likhuluma ukuthi li-against ithwa yini ukusekhuluma sinidla ama-Glenfield nje o-class antagonism ukuthi kune-bourgeois i-bourgeoisie bese kuba khona middle class bese kuba khona thina-ke i-working class kuba khona the peasants ipofu
the masses.
So he was with the peasants. Now you need to understand ukuthi the reason why it was easy for the community ANC to accept the deals because they knew they were going to regain which position Yobama did. They were going to have shares in companies. Their kids were going to go to the nice schools. They were going to own land. Now, only lokuzana farm banengo. Ompazima kale ompazima shilo na una wine farms le Eastern Cape. Awekho umholo ANC ongenayo iplaza. Wow, minister uzoba neplaza. So why would you fight about land? So why is it going plus lamb?
So that means the ANC yona security ebekiwe to defend the white assets.
Yabo. Before 1994, Denel, the Armscom, and various other SOEs, they got the candy can. Why not a candy can? As I produce my helicopter, as I produce my hippo, as I produce my R1, as I produce anything, we're buying arms from outside. Why?
I'm not sure.
Because if it's not a technology, you can't deep. We're not going to sell to the West, we're going to sell to anybody who's willing to buy.
Yeah.
So if you want to remove that, I want to put it through. We had a South African government, initial party had a nuclear program. It calls the news about ballistic missiles. That program was swapped off. Mandela watu alasha ikhale olwandle. Okay. I-program yoku-create ama-ballistic missiles iphi? Ikhala zikho phela. I-program yokuyikhanda iphi?
Asinayo ngoba phela kwathi ayidingeki.
Oh, ayidingeki. Okay. Kusho abantu abanama-nuclear weapons. I-American ama-nuclear weapons. I-Britain ama-nuclear weapons. I-France, wonke ama-European countries, Germany ama-nuclear weapons. Thina wadingeki.
Kwathi phela siyingozi.
Ngoba amakwenze njani?
I'm not sure.
Right. The reason why sasiyingozi ingoba kwakunama forces ayekhona ku-ANC ayengekazi avumele ubuzemtiti. Ayezothi izwe lethu leli uma uthi ufuna ukuhlasela nethi sinazi ikhali zenuzi ke azidibani. Nuclear war ngeke uvele uyideclare noma kanjani. This how India nengwezokube bebhedela banama nuclear weapons. Pakistan nuclear weapons, South Korea, North Korea, China, everybody's got nuclear weapons except us. The constitution yethu. Anyway, siqindezela kanjani ngabantu abamnyama? Uyabona umuntu mase evumile ukuthi yena uyinto ekuthiwa i-house negro. Into ongayenza. Uma kugula umlungu uthi siyagula. Hayi uthi ubasi uyagula uthi siyagula. Ngoba u-identify nobani nobasi. Sicindezelwa ngoba vele kwangiyona inhloso yabo ukusikhulula akukuyikhulula and mazikhululini impela amakhosikazi abanama-shares iy'ngane zabo zinama-shares ayikho into abangenayo uma befuna ukuhamba uma ungasufunda i-ministerial handbook inhliziyo yakho ingabuhlungu ukuthi umuntu oholayo injani salary manje ama ministers is 1.8 million or something
annually.
yeah annual ngathi 1.8
2 million, yeah.
unelungelo lokuthi athenge imoto ezimbili ye department intanikezwa yona le benefit. I think it's up to 700,000 each car. Uhola 1.8 lo muntu lo million. Unelungelo lokuthi agibele ibhanoyi nomndeni wakhe. Unelungelo lokuthi abe nomuzi ePitoli la kwenza khona administration, abe nomuzi eCape Town la kwenza khona izo zeparliament. Lo muntu une credit card ye department. Ma benefit kuningi. Uyamukela izipho lo muntu aphiwa izona osomabhizinisi kodwa wena
Ombeke lapha
unikwa 350. Uzoqanjwa mangalihlaza cokuthiwa nje nimbona uZuma ngo 350 wakhe usevule isitolo sika ice cream. Hawu madoda
washo umongameli wathi 350 yasebenza.
U350 ungathi uhlele ama minister 1.8 million uvula ama factory ka ice cream lona 350 akavula ifactory ice cream. Yazi incindezelo yalento yini kanjani mfowethu ngobuke emsebenzini na emsebenzini izolisebenza kanje kunama shareholders emsebenzini bona abanikazi benkampani bese kuba khona i-executive, i-CEO, i-CFO, i-COO, CRO, wonke labantu abaqala ngo-C, chief bani even aba group human capital head kanjalo. Labantu laba bayafana no-president nama-ministers, right? Bese bakhona ama-regional manager bayafana nama-premier, sebakhona ama-managers bayafana nama-MEC, bese bakhona ama-team leader omeya lapho, bese bakhona kanjalo kufike phansi. Now emakhanseleni, now who owns the company?
The executive.
Is the shareholders.
Yeah, the shareholders.
Yes. The executive kumbulishi appointwe ama-shareholders.
Yes.
The mandate executive is to ensure that ama-shareholders they get a return on investment. The same thing as government wethi indlela yenza ngayo. Government wethi ensures ukuthi big business gets a return on investment. Fine. Now ubani ocindezelwayo la enkampanini ukuze kuphume lo mkhiqizo ukuthi lo ahleze nemali
ilapha phela ezantsi.
Ilapha ezantsi angithi yithi isebenza kanjalo ku-ANC. Thina silapha ezantsi on the floor. Sila isandla kuthiwa madoda production. Manje uthatha ama calls awu50 ke la safuna change abantu abo 120. Must take an average of 3 minutes we call production. Now uma sewuthi uyabuza ukuthi manje madoda ayenza isibonelo futhi i-CEO eSouth Africa ehola nawonke yase BHP Billiton, that guy makes about 252,000 rand per hour.
Mm.
250,000 rand per hour.
Then he works how many hours?
It doesn't matter. Makuphela unyaka I think ubhala about 200 and something million. Ngingabala ama-shares. UBHP Billiton I think ukamining. Malini imali ehola kulo gqoma emining ngumadumeyane ngane Boruto.
I think it's around 12,000, 8,000.
Okay. Ubani umuntu okuyena usebenzela inkampani phakathi kwababili?
Yewano. Ola bemgodini.
So muyibheka ngepolitiki ubani umuntu kufanele uya benefita ngempela isakhamuzi besazi ama-politician.
Phela isakhamuzi kumele benefit because he's the one who's running the job.
So why ke uhulumeni wethu sikhohlisa unikezana wonke lama perks lawo. Wonke lama benefit, yonke into abayifuna bana medical aid enganqabi lutho. bayakwazi uma begula bahambe baye ko-Russia. Wena ugcina la ekuphileni clinic nakhona ufika uthethiswe lapha nesithiwa kade uhlalele nesilonda sakho sibhibha ungezi la.
Okusho ukuthi nabo shuthi i-health system or i-health department yabo abayithembi.
Of course. Ungabona ukuthi uAaron Mtswaledi uhambile olala eSteve Biko Academic Hospital. iSteve Biko sikanje ne-University of Pretoria. Kusuke kusebenza oprofessor base-University of Pretoria. Kusuke ngasebenzi odokotela baseNgwavuma noma le ngakithi ePofini. Kusuke kusebenza odokotela ba-top base-University of Pretoria. So uma uzothi no, the minister was admitted at Steve Biko, yes, he is a government hospital. Obani abasebenza khona ama-faculty heads ase-University of Pretoria. So lo kuyafana nokuthi bephesheya. Wena mawujela nansi osalibethula ngasekhaya. Uyazi kanti osalibethu ngeke uvele ukhambe egate uthi uyagula.
Ngoba
uyareferwa. La nasi isibhedlela esikhandela umphakathi uyareferwa. Uma ungareferwanga ungeni. Ungafa lapha emasangweni akhona. Usuke la uhambe ugeki ngedwa qala eclinic ngakini. Uzukubona labantu abasithanda. So mina ngiyagula manje nasi isibhedlela la. Isibhedlela ngeke singithathe ngoba ngireferwanga. Ngihambe ngeki ngedwa ngeke sikuthathe ngoba awunayo incwadi yaseclinic.
Yes.
Uma egula yena wenze njani? Uya eclinic. Uyazi eclinic ukuthi kwenzakala neclinic.
Abazi phela.
So uma sikhuluma ngeoperation, asikhuluma operation yokuthi even indlela esitreatwa ngayo, it's an oppressive way. Yokuthi you must know your place ukuthi wena you don't belong.
Yeah.
You don't belong. Wena nje kufanele uhlezi lapha uhlupheka nixabanisana. Then they wonder why there is crime. Kuthi nje hayi sizozama ukuthi si-eradicate crime, ngithi mina u-eradicate kanjani crime ubungahlala emphakathini lo crime. Wena la uhlala khona uqale ukuthunyela ama-password before ungene. Ama-password mhlawumbe awu-5. Uyongena amagate awu-5 kuyimanqa ungena kwakho. Abanye ulokhu khona nje sesamvashela phela kongena ngama-fingerprint kwathiwa ilindani ngeke ikwazi ukungena funa umuntu ozokufuna no-fingerprint. Sahlala saqhoma uzofuna ne-fingerprint wafika kwenzela isithupha sangena. Mina nje la ungivele wangena nje. Vele ngakuvulela yiphi sense of security efuna ngithi nginayo mina. Yena unama-bodyguard.
Yeah.
Umuzi wakho ungena ngesithupha. You understand uma ngithi when you ask the question ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi basicindezele? It's animal farm. Sebephila lempilo yomlungu manje. Sebabelungu. Ngeke usabathinde ngoba sebetestile ukuthi kwamlungu into enjani. So why must they bother about you? Uyazi bani isibindi labantu? Bafika la ngasekhaya